Welcome to my channel Be Inspired, the math problem solver tailored for students who are preparing for Lebanese official exams Brevet level. Today I choose one exercise related to geometry. This exercise starts with given a circle C of center O and radius 4 cm. AB and IJ are two perpendicular diameters on C. T is the tangent to C at B. The line AI cuts T in R. First question is draw the figure. Start drawing the circle C of center O, which is the intersection of the two diameters AB and AC. AB, sorry, and IJ. AB, and this is I, and this is J, and let's designate the intersection at O at 90 degrees. So this is the circle with two diameters AB and IJ intersects at point A at 90 degrees. T is the tangent to C at B. Let's draw the tangent. This is the tangent passing through B. And the line AI cuts the tangent T in R. This is the line, starts from AI and extends to cut the tangent of the circle C at R. So this is AR. Okay, so this is the figure. Now show that I is the midpoint of AR. So I is the midpoint of AR. If we take triangle ABR, angle ABR 90 degrees. Why? Because it's a tangent to a radius makes 90 degrees. So RB is perpendicular to AB, and IO is also perpendicular to AB. That's two perpendicular diameters from the given here are two perpendicular diameters belongs to the same circle C. So then RB and IO are parallel. So if RB and IO are parallel, means that IO cuts AB at its midpoint, therefore it should cut AR at its midpoint as well. So therefore I is the midpoint of AR. Good. So deduce the length of the line BR. So the next question is deduce the length of BR. BR is 2 times OI. So if OI is 4, BR is 2 times 4 is equal to 8 centimeters. What is the nature of quadrilateral RBJI? Let's draw RBJ first and see what is the nature of this parallelogram IRBJ. IRBJ, what is the nature of the quadrilateral RBJ? Is a parallelogram. Why? BR is parallel to IJ. Like we said, two lines perpendicular to the same line are parallel. This is a theorem. So if BR, we just calculated BR and we found out it's 8 centimeter, and IJ is also 8 centimeters, double the radius. So IJ then is equal to RB, and at the same time they are parallel. So therefore IRBJ is a parallelogram. Okay, let's go to question number 3. The line BI cuts RO in K. Let's draw it. Join BI and RO, and they cut at point K. At point K. Good. So I mean the plot. Show that AK cuts BR in its midpoint S. So where AK cuts BR at S, here we go. We name this as S. So what do we need to prove? That S is the midpoint of BR. Good. If we consider again triangle ABR, we find out that BI is a median in this triangle. Why it's a median? Because it cuts AR at its midpoint. We just proved I is the midpoint of AR. And RO is another median in triangle ABR. Why? Because RO cuts AB at its midpoint O. So therefore the third diameter AS must cut BR at its midpoint, and K lies on this line. So AS should pass by K and cut BR at its midpoint, because it's the third median in triangle ABR, and K is called the centroid of triangle ABR, the meeting point of the medians. Good, so we proved that S is the midpoint of BR. Okay, now let's go to the fourth question. Calculate AS. Let's draw the figure again. Okay, here we go. We need to calculate AS. So where is AS? AS is passing by K and cuts RB at its midpoint. So, okay, good. Now, how to find AS? In triangle ABS, angle ABS is 90. We know that because, again, it's a tangent to a radius. So if we apply Pythagoras theorem in this sense, we say that AS square is equal to BS square plus AB square. So what is AB square? AB is all 8, and 8 times 8 is 64, and BS is the middle of BR, means that it is BR over 2, and it is 4. 4 squared is 16. We add them, we get 80. We need to simplify this. AS then is equal to radical 80 equal to 4 radical 5 centimeters. So the length of AS is 4 radical 5 centimeters. Okay, it says that AS cuts OI in M and circle C in N. Let's designate M as the point of intersection of AS with OI, and N, the intersection of AS with circle C. Great. We need to prove that A, O, M, and A, N, B are two similar triangles. Let's join NB. So this is NB. How will we prove this? If we take angle AOM and ANB is equal to 90 degrees. Why? Angle AOM, like we said, is the intersection of two perpendicular diameters. A and B is 90 degrees because it is in triangle A and B is inscribed in a semicircle of diameter AB. Okay, this is one angle. Let's find another angle. NAB is equal to MAO. Why? Because these are common angles in the two triangles. So this angle here is common to the two triangles, so they are equal. So therefore then the two triangles are similar by two angles are equal. Now deduce the value of AM and AN. Always if we have a question straight away after similar triangles, we want to use the question before. So if we write the ratio of similitude between triangles AOM and ANB, we can easily find the product AM times AN. So we first write AOM, and underneath it we write the triangle ANB. So AOM, we make sure that we put exactly the same angle. A is under angle O, or A, because they are equal, and angle AOM is underneath it is angle N, because AOM and ANB are equal, which will gives me angle M and angle B equal. And then write the similitude ratio. So we first take AO, it should be over AN equals to AM over AB. So if we do cross multiplication, AN times AM, that's what we're going to find, is equal to AO times AB. What is AO? AO is the radius of the circle, 4 centimeter. AB, what's AB? AB is diameter of the circle, which is 8 centimeters, so 4 times 8 equals 32. Okay, so let's go to question number 5. Let L be a point on C and designate by H the symmetric of A with respect to L. Let's draw it. So L is a point on C and designate by H the symmetric of A with respect to L. So it means that AL is equal to LH. What is the nature of triangle AHB? What is the nature of this triangle? Okay, if L is the midpoint of AH and we join BL, okay, and angle ALB is 90 degrees because ALB is inscribed in a semicircle with diameter AB. So therefore, BL is the perpendicular bisector of AH. Hence, if BL is the perpendicular bisector of AH, therefore AB and BH are equal. Therefore, triangle ABH is an isosceles triangle with two sides equal and the vertex is B. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, please say so. Thank you again, and goodbye.